and how do you think about the labor force? I mean, much like Japan, I mean, America, we have an aging labor force today in manufacturing, that the boomers, the boomers as we call them, they will move out of the workforce, and you have more tech savvy people, more millennials coming in, and this will dominate the manufacturing airwaves now. And obviously we'll be doing a lot more manufacturing in this country if you fast forward a few years from here. So does this new generation of talent help what you believe that companies need to do and companies need to achieve? I mean, they're more tech savvy, more digital, more they don't hold on to the existing technologies just because they were existing technologies. They're doing it because it's modern, it's what they're used to doing, it's digital, it's simulation, it's all these capabilities that they have grown up with in their daily lives. And is that going to help us, or how do you think about that?
First of all, maybe I talk about the issue of shop floor, then I come back to
the workforce
digital issues. Yeah.
Yes. Okay.
First about the workforce in USA, difference between Japan and USA. I think I really have a very good experience. For instance, I have a client near Chicago. They are the facility of one German company, and they have excellent operators regarding the standardization, regarding the work speed, tempo, etc. Very high morale, and I really have a very good experience there. Maybe not everywhere so, but this example shows that the American operators are very excellent, capable, even maybe better than Japan. Yeah, but this is my experience. So, and what I want to say is that the efficiency of the operator in the shop floor has nothing to do with the capability of the operator. Actually, it is the issue of the management. And the task of the management is, number one, to set the standards. Number two, to improve the standards. Number three, train the operators. And number four, actually let maintain the operators to set the set standards. These are, let's say, four main tasks of the managers, and the company where maybe are not so efficient in the shop floor regarding the operator productivity. It is not the issue of the operator themselves, but it is more, let's say, maybe more inadequate managers. Sorry about that. So this is the shop floor issue. Yeah.
Okay.
And then about the digital issue, we are talking, as you said, since maybe 10 years about the Industry 4.0, then since 4-5 years talking about digital factories and smart factories, etc. And there are many modern tools, simulation tool, MES system, and warehouse management system, etc. But in the area of the production planning, production scheduling, detailed scheduling, and for the long-term planning, still I say almost 100% in USA, the company is doing scheduling with the Excel sheet manually, with the paper and pencil. Actually, more or less working with the paper and pencil today, and this is actually the reality.
Yeah, and Keiji, and that's a really good statement to highlight, that they're working with with Excel sheets today still, and that highlights a significant gap in the industry, right? I mean, this is where the standardization and robustness of software help for this kind of scheduling and this kind of advanced production scheduling. And I think that's that will be addressed by the workforce, right? Because I think the new era coming in, some of them don't even use Excel. Some of them use, Chat GPT as their vehicle to do what they want in Excel, but don't know anything about Excel, but they're getting the same output. So they're using all sorts of sophisticated tools in AI and machine learning to be able to do this. So I think it's going to even accelerate what you're doing.